What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for checking out my content. I really appreciate it. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Kirk Buchanan, and on this channel I teach people how to start and run a business on the internet. I've been running my own business online for over 2 years now, and trust me, I have a lot of experience and a lot of knowledge to share. Alright, so if you too want to learn how you can start and run a business online, then make sure to get subscribed to my channel. You can do that by clicking the red button below my video and tap the notification bell, and that way you'll be notified each time I release a new video. Alright, so with that said, let me talk to you now about affiliate marketing, and I'm going to show you exactly the truth to success for affiliate marketing, and I'm going to show you why a lot of people actually fail at affiliate marketing. That and a lot more coming right up. How does one really find success with affiliate marketing? Why is it that some people are super successful and then there are so many people who are not able to even make one single affiliate sales? Alright, so that's because the main ingredient to affiliate marketing is actually often missing by people who are trying to do affiliate marketing. Alright, so some of the people who are teaching you how to do affiliate marketing, especially the ones who are trying to sell you their affiliate marketing courses, are not going to tell you this, because this is the most difficult part of affiliate marketing. But once you get this part down pat, then you're going to be making a lot of money with affiliate marketing. Let me just put that out there right now. Alright, so how do you find success with affiliate marketing? Alright, so first and foremost, there are two basic concepts you need to understand as it relates to running any form of internet-based business, right? And that is conversion rates and click-through rates. And those are two concepts I'm going to be explaining for you right now. If you fully understand what these two concepts mean and you can wrap your head around everything as it relates to how the internet works, then of course you're going to find success with your affiliate marketing business or any other online business. Alright, so for this example that I'm going to be talking to you through right now, I'm going to be using Amazon as my publisher. So that's the affiliate program that I'm going to be using in this example. Alright, so on average, affiliate marketing conversion rates on Amazon is approximately 1%. Alright, it's really that low on average. Alright, so some people, of course, is going to get conversion rates of 3%. Some people will get conversion rates of even 5% sometimes. But some people will get conversion rates of 0.2%, 0.3%, and all of that. So it all depends on the type of traffic you're getting. It all depends on the niche you're in. So everything comes into consideration as it relates to your conversion rate. But across all industries, on average, conversion rate is 1%. And conversion rate is basically just the number of people who actually buy the product you're recommending as opposed to the number of people you're actually sending to the offer. So let's say, for example, you were getting 100 clicks on your affiliate links and you're sending 100 people to Amazon. Alright, so on average, only one person is actually going to make a purchase out of that 100. And that is how you calculate your conversion rates. And it's a very important number to understand because across all industries, it's 1%. Some industries are higher, but that's usually the conversion rate right across the internet with all internet-based businesses. Alright, so the next concept you need to fully understand if you're going to be successful with affiliate marketing or any internet-based business. I keep saying that because these numbers go across all industries, all internet-based business. Alright, so you need to understand the click-through rate, which is very important. Alright, so your click-through rate is basically the number of people who are actually going to click on your link as opposed to the number of people who actually check out your content. So let's say, for example, you are doing a blog post and you're getting 10,000 visitors on your blog post. Alright, so based on a 15% click-through rate, which is the average once again, you're only going to get about 1,500 people to actually click on your link to go and check out your affiliate offer. So you need to fully understand click-through rates and conversion rates. And if you fully understand these, you will better be able to gauge and know exactly what you're likely to make from your affiliate marketing business. Alright, so these numbers are average and they're very tight averages. There's not a lot of difference as to what you will get in conversion rates and click-through rates across any industry on the internet. Alright, so what I've done for you right here is I've created a scenario for you to show you why it is that most people actually don't make enough money or any money at all with affiliate marketing. So let's assume that you're getting 10,000 visitors per day on your content, and 10,000 visitors a day is a lot of visitors for someone just starting out with an affiliate marketing business. This is going to require you to have a lot of content and to be established in your niche and to have some form of authority to be able to get this kind of traffic to your page, to your YouTube videos, to your Instagram page, whatever it is. It's going to take a lot of work to get 10,000 visitors. And that's the key ingredient that a lot of people teaching affiliate marketing leave out. All right, so you need to be able to generate this kind of visitors, whether you're going to be buying solo ads, whether you're going to be putting out content on your blog, your YouTube videos. This is very difficult to get. All right, so I can't stress that enough. But let's assume that you're getting 10,000 visitors per day to your content. All right, so with a click-through rate of 15%, which is the average number of people who will actually click on your link you're promoting, you're going to be getting about 1,500 people to actually click on that link. 1,500 people from your 10,000 visitors may click on your link. Those are not the people who are actually going to buy so you earn commissions. Those are just clicks. All right. If you're getting paid for clicks, if you're getting paid for the traffic in terms of commission for your traffic, then fine. But if you're only getting commission based on purchases, verified purchases, then of course you will need to actually understand the next concept. All right. So of that 1,500, right? Remember now your conversion rate is a percent. 1% is going to be converting, which means 15 people are actually going to buy the product on average. All right, so let's say only 15 people from your 10,000 visitors per day actually take action and buys a product on Amazon for you to earn a commission. Those are the numbers that are likely to happen with your affiliate marketing business that you don't necessarily know why most people actually fail. These are the typical numbers you're going to find. Let's assume once again that the average order value, AOV, is $50, which means that for every person that actually bought something, their entire cart, their entire purchases for that session was $50. All right, so that's the average order value. On average, Amazon pays between 4 and 10% in affiliate commission. It depends on which niche you're promoting, which products the person actually buys. All right, so but let's say that you get 5% commission on average, right? Across all products that people actually buy that you refer. Then you're only going to be making $2.50 from each order, right? So with 15 people actually making purchases, this only equates to $37.50 per day from your 10,000 visitors in terms of affiliate commission. So as you can see right here, affiliate marketing does require you to have a ton of traffic. That is what I'm trying to say to you right now. The people who actually succeed with affiliate marketing get a lot of traffic on any given day. Take for example, Marcus Brownlee on his YouTube channel. He has close to 7 million subscribers right now. He gets millions of views per day. He is able to make a full-time income and make a lot of money from affiliate marketing because he has a lot of traffic. All right, so most people are trying to do affiliate marketing without traffic. It's just not going to work. You have to be able to generate a ton of traffic every single day for you to make a lot of money. All right, so this scenario was based on Amazon, right? And Amazon payout rates are very low in terms of the commission you earn. All right, but if you're still getting 10,000 visitors per day and you're getting the same amount of conversion and you're getting the exact click-through rate, if it is that you're earning a 50% commission on that order value, then that's a different story, because in this case, what you're going to be making is $25 per sale if you're getting a 50% commission. And if you still make 15 sales per day, you're going to be making $375 per day. But then what you find is that in these niches that you're able to make that kind of commission, right? If you're getting that kind of traffic, you have to be a well-established person, which means that it's very difficult. Once again, you need to be able to generate a ton of traffic in whatever niche you're in order to make a full-time income with affiliate marketing. And that's a key ingredient that a lot of people actually leave out of their affiliate marketing courses. All right, so now that you have a full understanding of what is required for you to be successful, then you know that you need to go out and start building your audience. Start spending a lot of time trying to put out a lot more content on your blog. Spend a lot of time trying to grow your audience on Instagram. Spend more time trying to build that audience. The larger your audience is, the more money you will make from affiliate marketing overall. All right, so that's basically what I wanted to talk to you guys about. I really do hope you found it helpful, because this is a lot of value. about affiliate marketing that a lot of people actually don't share with you guys. So if you like this kind of content, let me know by dropping a like on my video. Share this video with someone who is trying to make it with affiliate marketing so they understand exactly what is required for them to do so. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm always giving you guys great value like this to help you to scale and grow your businesses online. Alright, so with that said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.